Welcome to 2226 Viking Drive in Houston, Texas. Your new home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, a study, and so much more. Resting in the very desirable Oak Forest neighborhood, this home's charm starts with the oversized front porch, stately elevation, beautiful cedar columns, and continues throughout the home. No expense was spared on this recently remodeled home, now boasting 1,966 square feet of well-appointed living space. You are greeted by an open concept floor plan fit for entertaining. The office study is equipped with built-in shelving, while the kitchen was finished with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and brand new cabinetry. The primary suite has a walk-in shower, dual sinks, and is tied together with a beautifully tiled flooring. Outfitted with a new HVAC system, a new roof, new electrical system, new insulated windows, fresh interior and exterior paint, a new plumbing system, and a refinished brick fireplace, and so much more. Only minutes to shopping and restaurants, with easy access to Highway 290 and 610 and the Galleria Area. Schedule your showing today with your realtor or give me a call at 832-429-8393. Talk to you soon.